Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use Airalo without Wi-Fi or a physical SIM card, so you can stay connected anytime, anywhere. Let's get started. First, Airalo works using eSIM technology, which means you don't need a physical SIM card. Everything is digital and built into your phone. To begin, you need to install your Airalo eSIM while you still have internet access, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. This step is important because downloading the eSIM requires a common connection. Once your eSIM is installed, you no longer need Wi-Fi. Simply go to your phone's setting, open mobile data or cellular, and select your Airalo eSIM as your data line. Next, make sure data roaming is turned on, as many Airalo plans rely on roaming networks to provide coverage in different countries. After that, turn off Wi-Fi and check if your mobile data is working. Your Airalo eSIM will connect to local network automatically, giving you internet access without a physical SIM card. If it doesn't connect right away, try turning airplane mode on and off, or restarting your device. This helps refresh the network connection. Keep in mind that Airalo only provides mobile data, so you won't have a regular phone number for calls or SMS. However, you can still use apps like WhatsApp or Telegram to stay in touch. And that is it. That's how you can use Airalo without Wi-Fi or a SIM card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.